about it, 1 tablespoon to 30 pounds of fruits and vegetables. An alkaline body. Excuse me, this is mine. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. Hey friends, today I want to share with you the most nutritionally dense food on planet Earth. It can literally heal your body in as little as 1 month. Even astronauts take it. It is quite literally like a deep ocean of benefits. Please welcome Spirulina. Oh, it fell on the table. Oh my gosh, what a waste. Hey, look at the depth of this color. That's very cool. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach. And you are on my No Rex Needed channel, where I teach people how to heal their body with food. I also teach self-healing is not only possible, but it is easy. It all starts with food because we are what we eat. If this resonates with you, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can start healing together. Spirulina is a type of green-blue algae that grows in both salty and fresh water. The reason it is, oh my gosh, look at this. The reason it is considered to be the world's most nutritionally dense food is because, ready? I have to stand up to say this. Just 1 tablespoon of spirulina is equivalent to 30 pounds of fruits and vegetables. Maybe it's not quite 30 pounds here, but it's very heavy. Just think about it. 1 tablespoon to 30 pounds of fruits and vegetables. Hey, can you eat 30 pounds of fruits and vegetables a day? Of course not. Hey, can you eat 1 tablespoon of spirulina a day? Easily. This is my self-talk. Spirulina gained its glory during 1970s when NASA studied it for astronauts. It was found to be one of the most potent concentrated products available to mankind. The reason they were testing it because astronauts exhibited a whole great deal of nutritional deficiencies after their space mission. Spirulina came to rescue here, and it is continued to be used today as the space superfood. Spirulina's rich green-blue color is attributed to its active component, Phycocyanin. It was found to be a super powerful antioxidant, helps to fight inflammation throughout the whole body, and support cells against oxidative stress. Here are the top 3 things that make spirulina special. By the way, want to know the 5 easiest ways to heal your gut? Grab my free gut wellness checklist below this video to start fixing your gut right now. Back to 3 things that make spirulina super special. Number 1. It is a one-stop shop for all your body needs. It contains 99% of what our cells need not to simply survive, but to thrive. All essential proteins, minerals, vitamins. Imagine it's like if you had a shopping list with 100 items on it worth of groceries, and you only bought spirulina because it took care of all of the other 100 items. And then you'd be like, what's for breakfast? Spirulina. What's for lunch? Spirulina. What's for dinner? Spirulina. I think my husband would divorce me right away. Number 2, it contains the entire panel of vitamin Bs except B12. To be exact, B12 is present, but not in a form that our body can use. However, the rest of B panel is present in abundance. We need vitamin B for a lot of different reasons. Our cells cannot function properly without it. One big one is energy levels. Vitamin Bs help our body transfer food into energy, so we feel more energized and happier. We are in a better mood. Number 3, spirulina contains all essential amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of any given protein molecule. Human body contains 22 amino acids. Out of them, 8 are considered to be essential. If you would like me to make a separate video on vitamin Bs and what they do to our body, leave a comment below this video. Essential means our body needs to receive these from an outside source, like with food, because our body cannot make these on its own. The remaining 14 amino acids can be perfectly made in-house, so to speak. Out of 8 essential amino acids, one calls for particular attention. Its name is methionine. The prefix Me stands for meat because it was first discovered in meat. It is widely known that products like meat, dairy, seafood, eggs are the record keepers in methionine content. However, what nobody talks about is that spirulina contains much more methionine than any of these products. Hey, maybe steakhouse should consider adding spirulina steak to their menu. If we were to get granular here, we don't really need protein in our diet because a protein molecule is way too big for our little cell to be able to digest it. Before any protein molecule can be utilized by our body, it is broken down into tinier pieces, amino acids. Now the cell takes these amino acids and makes whatever protein it desires at a time. So what we really need is amino acids. Spirulina is a powerful alkalizing food. Remember this, a disease is always about acidic body. Healing is always about an alkaline body. Excuse me, this is mine. Do you want one? Okay, I'll make you one. Here's a recap to the numerous benefits of spirulina. It reduces inflammation, cholesterol, blood pressure, fasting blood sugar levels, seasonal allergy. It improves gut microbiome, boosts immunity, improves strength and endurance during exercise. Great during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Remember, healing is not only possible, but it's easy. Here, I made it for you. Cheers. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so we can do it together. By the way, I have a video on how to choose the best spirulina. Make sure to check it out.